Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Ford Escape Trend, stock reference number 3800. This shape runs from the 9th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has a 1.5 litre EcoBoost 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre turbo EcoBoost 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre and no rash. Left power door mirror, power fold type. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light in good condition. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, both LED type. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, power fold type, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold types. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid with white stitching. It's automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.